Hi people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm making our 3-ingredient butter cookies. Yeah, and first we're going to put in our butter in the pan, as you can see, in the bowl. Then you put in our sugar. Three tablespoons of sugar, and then we mix with a mixer. Mix this. You can use a spoon or a mixer and prefer. So we finished mixing our butter and sugar. So we're going to put in a pinch of baking powder, as you can see, and then we're going to put in our flour. Yeah, just a little. I'm going to put the measurements in the description. So check the description for the recipe. And then we mix this. Yeah, so our dough is ready for the cookies. Now we're going to transfer it to a pan and make our cookie shapes. This is our baking pan, and we're going to put in a little butter on top, as you can see. Yeah, then we put our cookie dough. So I put in our cookie dough, as you can see, and we spread it. Spread it all over. Then we use our cookie cutters to make shapes. Yeah, so we cut our cookies, as you can see. See, yeah, these are our hot cookies. Yeah. And then we're going to bake this in the oven for like 10 minutes, and our cookies will be ready. Yeah, so our cookies are getting ready, as you can see in the oven. Those are our cookies, homemade buttercream cookies. Yeah, so our homemade cookies are ready, as you can see. They're very nice, very yummy, ready to serve and eat at home. They're very nice. Those are our homemade cookies. Thank you. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please keep subscribing to my channel and watching and sharing and liking the videos. Leave a comment. Thank you. Those are our cookies.